Good morning. My name is Christopher, an amateur weather observer, and welcome to a new episode of my daily backyard weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Thursday, June 6th, 2024, 9 o'clock in the morning, mix of sun and clouds at 4 octas, temperature 20.6 degrees Celsius. The pressure is steady at 1000.2 millibars, and the air quality reading is low at 10.1 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, so we got 4.8 millimeters in the past 24 hours, and this rainfall measurement will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN646. Well, if you have been following me this week, I started featuring weather books that really opened my eyes not only to the wonders but also science of weather. Yesterday I covered, or in the last episode, I covered a university book that I've used when I took my Meteorology 101 that explains in a scientific way the dynamics of weather. This time I'm going to be covering a different type of weather book. This is a perfect book for someone who is more visual. For example, you like to see pictures of weather. So this book is called Weather, a Visual Guide. The authors are by Bruce Buckley, Edward Hopkins, and Richard Whitaker, and is published by the Firefly Book Publication. And I love this book because it really provides you a good representation of how weather affects us on a day-to-day. And if you're the type of person who loves watching clouds pass by and want to identify them, there's a great section in the book that actually helps you determine what kind of cloud is that. Is it cirrus, stratus, cumulonimbus? It's such a great guide to help you identify different types of clouds. And one thing that I love about this book as well is that only provides the scientific background of the dynamics of weather, but also provides you a visual representation of that scientific principle. So for example, in this page here shows you how snow is formed, but also real photographs of the different types of snowflakes, for example. And finally, I love this book because not only provides you that nice photographs of different types of weather, but also shows you the social impact on a wider scale. So there's great pictures here of different climatic events or weather events that affects on a large scale. So for example, dust storms that basically migrates from Africa and then affects different regions around the world as the global winds shifts that, or pictures of drought or floods. So it's a great visual book, and if you're a photographer, it's also a great inspiration for you on how to take your next picture when you're outside and admiring the weather. So this is called Weather, a Visual Guide by Firefly Book. Well, I hope you enjoyed my quick review of this book. In my next episode, I'll be reviewing another type of weather book. So make sure you subscribe and like and follow me in future episodes. Well, friends, wherever you are, remember that the sun is always there and the cloud shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day and pick a weather book. See you again tomorrow. Take care.